Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys on how to RSVP on the GDG Event platform. So what is GDG? GDG stands for Google Developers Group, which is a community of developers who are interested in Google's technologies and APIs. These groups organize events such as talks, workshops, and hackathons to promote knowledge sharing and to collaborate among other developers. GDG is open to anyone, regardless of your skill level, and is a great place to meet like-minded individuals, learn new things, and get inspired. Whether you are a seasonal developer or just starting out, there is always something for everyone at GDG events. So, what are the benefits of joining GDG? Joining a Google developers group can have many benefits, which include learning opportunities. GDG members have access to a network of developers who can share knowledge and expertise on various Google technologies. Attending a GDG event and meetup can provide you with an opportunity to learn from other developers, engage in hands-on learning, and keep up to date with latest Google's tools and products. It can also be beneficial in terms of networking. Joining a GDG allowed you to connect with developers who share similar interests and passions. You can network with other professionals in your field, find mentors or mentees, and even collaborate on projects. And another benefit of joining GDG is career advancement. Being part of this group can provide you with opportunity to showcase your skills and expertise to the potentials employers. You can also learn about jobs opening and also receive referrals from other GDG members. Another benefit is in terms of the community building. Being part of a GDG allows you to be part of a community of developers who share a common interest in Google technologies. You can contribute to the community by sharing your knowledge and expertise, organizing events or meetups, and helping other members. You also gain access to resources as a GDG member. You may have access to Google resources such as developers tools, APIs, and documentation. You may also receive invitation to Google events and workshops and have opportunity to participate in beta testing for a new Google product. Overall, joining a GDG can provide you with numerous benefits, including opportunities for learning, networking, career advancement, community building, and access to resources. So let's now go into the practical aspect of RSVP on the GDG platform. Many chapters on of GDG. You can just, in this case, I'm going to use GDG Eket as a case study. So I'm just going to search on my Google GDG Eket. So on my results, I can, let me just go for this. You see here GDG Eket developers group. So now this is a GDG website, as you can see, and on the platform, as you can see, there is an upcoming event which is IWD Eket 2023. So if I want to RSVP for this particular event, all I need to do is simply click on view details. Then I will have a full details of what the event is about, as you can see. So now for me to RSVP, I will simply click on the login to RSVP button. Then I will need to log in with my Gmail account. In this case, I will just choose one of these my accounts. Then I will fill in my details, my first name, my last name, my email address. I can upload my avatar. I select my country, in this case, Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria. I select my city, but it's optional. Set my timeline and just follow up these various instructions so I can. I'm looking to attend events, attend virtual online. Just take the one that fits to whatever you want to. Then just accept these terms and conditions. Then click on the sign up. So okay, I need to how should they address me? Is it him or she? Or in this case I will pick he/him. So sign up button. Let's wait for it to load. So after this, I'm now registered to a community. So what I need to do simply do is what? Click on the RSVP. Now, remember before we had login/RSVP. So now we are logging. So I will simply click here on the RSVP. Then just fill in this, my preferred pronouns, he or him. Yeah. I would like to you just select what you like to do. Is it expand? Why are you joining this? Is it to learn new things, expand knowledge, and the rest? So just pick the one that best fits to what you are looking for. So the next thing is I am dash. Just what is your role? Are you a data analyst? So just select your own profession. In here, I'm selecting a developer. Then you select your level of expertise. So just select the one that apply to you. Then click on the accept terms and condition. Then click on add me to this local chapter for future events. Then you submit, and that is all. Then an email will be sent to you automatically after this. You can equally add this event to your calendar. In this case, I will just add it to my Google calendar. So save. Okay. So you can choose to be featured on the platform just by simply filling in these other forms. Okay, that is all. Thank you for watching this video.